Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I have a 2020 Lexus GS350. I'm just going to do a simple engine cover removal video over here for y'all. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, today I'm going to do a very quick video on my GS350. I'm going to lift the engine cover and take a look what's underneath. There's not going to be too different from other GS350 or other cars out there as well too. So just thought I'd make a video on the GS350 in particular to show you what's underneath. It's a little bit different from my ES video, by the way. Okay, so we're opening up the hood over here and we find the plastic cover, the beauty cover for the GS350. So you notice there's an overflow tank for the radiator over there. And I'm gonna lift the corner, so just be really gentle on this edge. Okay, there's a prop that holds it up over there in that corner, and there's one that holds it over here as well, and there's one in the back right in the center. See if we can get that. Just switching hands over here. There we go. And that's all to remove the beauty cover, the plastic cover. Just be really careful with it because it is made of plastic. So what you see underneath the engine cover, well, you see the air intake, you see some of the electrical components, and also you see the radiator cap right there, and that's really important. You see the oil refill is over there, but it's not covered, so that was the edge. And mine is a brand new vehicle, so it's going to be very clean. Some of the older vehicles are very dirty. If you're buying a used car, take a look at that. So this is the prompt. So those are the parts you put the engine cover back on when you're done. Right there. So nothing too special underneath the engine. There's a lot of different components. You got a lot of electrical components. You got the hose. And in my case, you had the radiator cap over there. You can see that. So this is the intake. Looks like it's made of plastic, of course. It doesn't really matter that much for air intake to be plastic, I think, but just like you don't want it to crack because that's the only thing you worry about if it's made of plastic. There's not that many plastic components, but still surprisingly more and more plastic components compared to some European brands as well too. They have a lot more. So I'm going to put the cover back on. Just be really careful with this thing. So you need to align the first two tips, first 2 points, before you push it in, so feel the other hand. And once you get that alignment done on the first two, then you just push it down because the back one would also align as well too. Just like that. Alright, so both are aligned. Just push in gently and push gentle, and the back one align. There you go. That's how you put it back as well too. There's no secret to it. So looking at this overall, you can check on the side. You see the alignment's all nice and everything. So there you go. Right, very tight, but very nice alignment. And that cover actually covers quite a bit, I guess. Not only for looks, but there's some kind of protection for electrical connectors and dirt and grime to get on it. So it's hard to clean. Definitely be careful. I would recommend washing your electrical components, and that actually could damage the vehicle overall. So you got the hose going in, and you got the Lexus logo on the engine cover, and you got the battery on this car on the left over there. You can see. So everything is nice and aligned. That's how you take the cover off. And there's other cars that you actually could do this as well too. Not only Lexus or Toyota or Hondas or Acuras or maybe Ford, etc. Right? You just be really careful when you do this. Just don't break it and don't knock something out. And the engine cover, just there's there to protect some of the components, not only dirt and grime. And that's pretty much it over there. I do want to show you one other part when I close the hood. I mean, on these Lexus, it's just so nice to hear it just goes down. It's not something that you have to push down. I have another vehicle before, and when it goes down, you have to push again. So there it goes. Okay, that's the video. Hope you helped me with a thumbs up so other people could see the video. I really appreciate if you leave me a comment if it helps others. And I'll see you next time. Bye.